In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete an email account on your iPhone. Deleting an email account can be useful if you want to remove an old or unused account from your device. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Mail. Tap on it. After that, tap Accounts. Now you'll be able to see all the email accounts on your iPhone. Just tap on the email account that you want to delete from your iPhone. And then simply tap where it says, Delete Account. And then tap Delete from my iPhone to confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, the selected email account will be removed from your iPhone, and you will no longer receive emails or notifications from that account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.